Welcome to Factory Unlocked by MPDV, where data meets delivery. Today, we are showing you how MPDV solves the top 10 problems in U.S. manufacturing. Pain point number 5, safety concerns and accidents.
I've seen my fair share of tough jobs, and if there's one thing I've learned, it's that safety always comes first. In manufacturing, there's no room for error. One small mistake can lead to serious consequences. And in the manufacturing world, where heavy machinery and hazardous materials are part of everyday life, safety ain't just a suggestion, it's the law. But beyond the legal and ethical obligations, accidents cost money, folks. That's where MPDV's MES comes in, like a guardian for your shop floor and watching over your workforce. It helps you enforce safety protocols, track incidents, and identify potential hazards before they turn into headlines. We're talking about a potential 20 to 50% reduction in your lost time injury rate, lower insurance and compliance costs, as well as improved employee morale and well-being.
Coming up next, pain point number 6, quality control and compliance.